As AI becomes more powerful, the future depends not just on what machines can do, but how humans and AI work together. Explorers and leading thinkers highlight 3 essential pillars for building successful human-AI collaboration. Pillar 1, human agency in AI governance. As Explorers puts it, systems must protect human priorities as AI evolves. Courageous conversations and intentional oversight keep AI aligned with our values, ensuring machines serve, not steer. Pillar 2, practical AI integration. Explorance's MLY 3.0 shows that small essential features like redaction and language support drive real impact. It's the boring revolution where AI solves real-world problems behind the scenes. Quiet, steady, powerful. Pillar 3, continuous learning and adaptation. Feedback isn't just a leadership tool. It's our superpower in the age of AI. Effective human-AI collaboration requires trust, safety, and constant learning. Explorance's focus on democratized insight paves the way forward. As AI evolves at the speed of light, organizations that master feedback and human-AI trust will lead the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on building the future together.